We're here today to introduce the 650M Dozer. This is a 74 gross horsepower machine. We've got over 39,000 pounds of drawbar pull. We offer this in a ROPS canopy, and we also offer this in a ROPS cab. We listened to customers when it came to the 650M development, and one of the things that we heard was not needing a permit to take it for transportation was very important to them. So we still offer 3 track configurations, 2 track gauges, and 4 different blade sizes. This gives them the ability to actually have a wide track or an LGP that fits within the trailer specifications so that they don't need a permit to move it from site to site. One of the unique things about the 650M is making more drawbar pull with the same amount of power. So to achieve Tier 4 final, we've had to benchmark an engine from one of our other products. It's highly tested, highly proven. This engine from FPT is a strong performer. Tier 4 final oftentimes reduces displacement, and so what we've done is we've completely recalibrated the hydraulic system. With this engine and our new calibration of our hydraulic system, the hydrostat is able to produce more straight line pushing power while still retaining the turning pushing power that's often required from a machine this size. With 39,000 pounds of drawbar pull, we've given the operator the ability not to have to choose a larger dozer for certain jobs. So they can use the 650M to do their rough cut all the way down to their fine cutting. We have a world-class undercarriage under this machine now. We've completely redesigned the undercarriage with one of the world's leading manufacturers and designers of undercarriage. Not only do we have a new track frame, we have new main beam, and we have a new front idler to improve visibility, bigger sprocket, and new components to make it more robust. The good thing about the 650M is that we went up to Tier 4 final with this engine, which we benchmarked from another product within the Case Construction portfolio. And we don't require fluids, we don't require regeneration, and we don't require intensive service on this system. With the 650M, we retain GROUNDLINE serviceability. It's the DNA that's throughout all Case Construction equipment. And the nice thing is, all of your service points are right here at ground level. You've got quick connect ports, you've got all your oil filters, and many of the connections that you may need to use for service. So one of the many great features of the 650M is the fact that we've integrated an M-Series cab from our larger dozers. And the M-Series cab not only has glass from floor to ceiling, but we also have improved mounts to reduce vibration and reduce noise. We've got a new seat in there with the air suspension. We've got very good ergonomic controls, and we also have a new electronic display for the operator. So they can go within that display, they can change settings like their ratio from front to reverse. They can also change the aggressiveness of their shuttle, so they can go aggressive, moderate, or mild. So we've given the operator the ability to modify the machine for their specific requirements. One of the many features that come with the 650M is Case ProCare. And since 650M is considered a heavy piece of equipment, it covers a 3,000 hour, 3-year warranty on the entire machine. It also includes a 3,000 hour, 3-year planned maintenance, and also 3,000 hour, 3-year case telematics. An owner or an operator can buy a 650M or any of our M-Series dozers and have peace of mind for 3 years or 3,000 hours and know that we're going to do the maintenance, we're going to cover any warranty issues, and we're going to make sure that they can concentrate on just using their equipment to make money. If people want to learn more about the 650M dozer, they can go to kce.com/dozers.